Hi, in front of me is iPhone 13 mini, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Apple device. Firstly, go into device settings. Now scroll down, select Face ID and passcode. Scroll down, click on turn passcode on and select passcode options. Over here, pick one of the available ones by tapping on the chosen one. Then enter your login method. And you should change passcode by clicking on this option and typing something else, but I will go with use anyway because this is only an example, and repeat my passcode. Now we have to wait a bit, and now when I go back, turn off my screen then turn it back on, I can see that passcode is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!